can never have too many clocks. And when they're whimsical, happy, and make you smile, that's even better. I'm standing in front of some of the clocks from Terri and Richard Floyd from California. And we've got some more here in the box that I want to show you. These are all pendulum clocks, and the pendulum, I think, is an interesting part. I can get it out of here. All right. The kitty cat with the fishbowl, and you can see that her tail makes the pendulum. This is Lucky, and this is his tongue. I believe, yeah, it's his tongue that is the pendulum. Now it's not moving right because it's locked. It's locked in place. So. Ladybugs, I think, are supposed to be good luck. They're great to have in your garden. And maybe if you have one in your kitchen, you'll cook that. I don't know. Worth a try. And then you can see the flower is the pendulum on this one. Oh, this is one I don't know. Love the color on this, and you have, for the pendulum, you have another fish. Okay. Bluebird, and a bluebird house. We have bluebirds in our neighborhood, but they don't really come visit. We can't get them to get. I don't think our birdhouse is open enough for them to nest in, but. We love them. And then here, again, I'm just going to hold it so you can see. Okay. Now, going back to nursery rhyme days. I'm sure most of you remember Humpty Dumpty. Sat on the wall. Okay, and here his legs. And if he's not careful. All right, let's see, I need a little more room here. Oh, this one has numbers and Roman numerals. And somewhere down here is the pendulum. It's busy bee on the flower. One really nice thing about these clocks, particularly in, well, anywhere in the kitchen, is they do have numbers. A lot of clocks don't, which is great. That makes them very designer friendly, but these are just easy to read. All right, this is popular around Hilton Head, particularly, and I'm probably in your neighborhood too. I'm sure you have golfers. And here's the club involved with the pendulum. Okay. And there's one more. This one is called time flies. You'll get the imagery. And we have a birdhouse. And in addition to the rabbit and the squirrel at the bottom, we have several birds with a bird pendulum. That's it. Check around. You might have a space in your house just calling for one of these clocks. If you do, give us a call at 843-842-2280 or come see us if you're in the neighborhood. We look forward to your visit.